time here. Thank you all for being here. For my tiny subscribers, I welcome everyone outside there. Today we are going to make. I'm going to try another recipe. But then I have unga wa chapati, wa mandazi, wa pancake. This is the best unga. Actually, I have another unga safi inaitwa swani. Here I have sugar. Actually, here in the video we usually buy sugar. Like this one here, it is $0.4. 0.4 is how many shillings? That's 40 shillings. 40 shillings. Uchumi ya Kenya inaenda juu. Wacha tuweke sukari hapa. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If this is your first time being here, consider subscribing. Support your girl from here to finish. So, here I start with the unga. Let me put unga first. The level of it, this is 1 kg. 1 kg is 97 shillings. That's Kenyan money, $0.97. It's very expensive. Otherwise, there before it was not like that. After that, I add sugar, and then I'm going to use baking powder. I was supposed to use yeast, but I don't have. Actually, I have it, but it is not enough. It is not enough. This is the yeast. I had already used it, but it is not enough. That's why I am using the baking powder. Thank you so much. Let's move on. I'm going to process so that we move on together. It is very simple. The recipe is very simple. Actually, I am going to add the ingredients. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is the unga here, and I'm going to add, first of all, you add sugar. This is our local sugar. You add sugar. 2 spoons of sugar, and I have 2 tablespoons of sugar and a half. Yeah, after that, I've used the butter, but because of we don't have butter here in the village. Actually, we have supermarkets, but it's very expensive, so I have to use chips. The chips here, I have to add here. After putting the oil, I add baking powder according to my cooking. I don't usually measure, but I know the measurement of the baking powder. Like 2 kilos of 2 kilograms of flour, we usually use half of it, but now I have for 1 kilo. So maybe I'm gonna put that much. After that, I have to add salt. I usually put like such a salt. Very much salt is that a bit of salt. So I don't have the measurement, so I usually do some estimation. After that, you have to mix. You have to mix. This is how I do it in my local way. You have to mix the ingredients together, and then I'll add water. Hello, let's move on. After that, I add water. Actually, this is warm water. Warm water. We add warm water. And you have to be careful because you may put a lot of water and it will mess up with the dough. It will mess up with the dough. Some people, when you are making this stuff here, they add milk, they add eggs, but to say like there are some of the people here don't eat eggs, so that's why I can't use eggs. We continue more. So here I have local sugar as usual, and then this one is here. You have to grind it, and I have to use the rolling pin. I have to use the rolling pin to grind the sugar so that I wanna use it. I'm grinding the sugar. This is our local sugar. It's our local sugar. I have to grind it so that it's gonna be like unga, so that I have to use it. That's why I'm rolling it like this. Actually, the dough is ready here. I'm gonna cut it into portions. In these portions, I cut them into two. Into two, we cut it into portions. In these portions, we just place our hand like this, our finger, you make a hole, like this one here, you make a hole. You have to roll it. Actually, I'm doing it in a local way. You have to place your finger like this, you make a hole. Yeah, you continue. You can see they are ready here, so I have to put oil. I have to put oil so that we start cooking. And always I'm using chips. I don't know why they call them chips. Chips. And then we wait for the oil to burn so that we continue cooking. Yeah. I think now the oil is ready. So this is it here. We put it. We put inside. Wow. Ready to be all ready. We follow the process actually. This is how I'm trying at the village because out there I may not have other things to use. I don't have even a frying pan, so I'm using the Chinese pan. Yeah. That's it. After this, we add sugar. Actually, the sugar that I had grinded, so we add the sugar. Leave some comments if you did this or you're gonna try it outside there. Actually, it's very much amazing. Actually, we are loved. We usually try everything as long as your IQ is working. You can try anything if you are outside there. Let's continue. This is how we drain the oil. This is how we drain the oil because I don't have I don't know. They say as if there is those ones who have like a wire. After finishing, you put the oil and make sure you put it on a safe place. Actually, like that side or I'll take it inside actually. Thank you so much. Leave some comments if you use such a big karai. You're gonna serve this with the tea. Always tea time in our village here. Anytime is tea time. And we always use plastic. So I'm gonna test. We shall pray. Our Father in heaven, thank you for the food. Thank you for the love that you have given us. I pray this in Jesus' name. Amen. Wow. Thank you so much. It's very yummy. It's very tasty. The sugar, everything. Actually, you wanna try the outside there. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate how you take your time. And if this is your first time, consider subscribing so that when I upload another video, more amazing videos from me at the field. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao, bye bye.